There was a time I was doing everything right on the charts, but still losing money. And the reason? It wasn't the market. It was my mindset. Today, I want to take you deeper, because trading isn't just about patterns, price, or profits. It's about perception. It's about the mindset we bring to the chaos. And if we don't master that, no system can save us. So in this episode, we'll dive into 5 traits that define truly successful traders. These are not surface-level tips. These are mental frameworks, powerful beliefs that quietly separate the consistent few from the emotional many. Let's begin. Trait 1. Anything can happen. Picture this. You're flying a kite on a breezy day. You've studied the wind, you've chosen the right spot, but then a sudden gust out of nowhere. Your perfect flight path twists, spirals, crashes. That's the market. You can do everything right. You can have confluence, confirmation, and conviction. And still, the trade can go against you. Why? Because anything can happen. Not in a poetic way, in a mathematically real way. News breaks halfway across the globe. An algorithm reacts in milliseconds. Liquidity vanishes. A whale exits. One spark in the wrong place can light up the whole system. Most traders say they accept uncertainty, but deep down, we all want control. We want the market to reward our preparation. We want to believe our logic can tame the chaos. But trading is more like surfing. You don't control the waves. You only control your position on the board. And the moment you accept that anything can happen, you stop trading from fear. Because fear is a symptom of expectation. Let go of the illusion of certainty. Trade with clarity, not control. Trait 2. You don't need to know what will happen next to make money. This one breaks most minds. We grow up thinking success is about knowing the answers, predicting the future. But in trading, the one who needs to be right loses. Let me ask you this. If a casino knows it has a 5% edge on every roulette spin, does it care about the next individual spin? Not at all. It just keeps the wheel turning. Successful traders think the same way. They understand that trading is a game of probabilities, not predictions. Think of your edge like a loaded dice. Over 100 rolls, it lands in your favor. But you don't know which ones. So if you start trying to guess each roll, trying to make this trade the one, you fall back into the trap of ego. We want to be right. We crave certainty. But ironically, it's the trader who embraces not knowing, who profits over time. Let go of needing to be right. Your job is not to predict. Your job is to execute your edge with discipline and detachment. Trait 3. There is a random distribution between wins and losses. Imagine planting seeds in a field. You water them all. You nurture them equally. But not all will sprout at the same time, or even sprout at all. That's your trading edge. Even the best system doesn't guarantee a perfect sequence. You may have 60% accuracy, but those 60 winning trades might come in the back half of the year. What breaks traders is not losing. It's the timing of those losses. We get 2 losers in a row and think, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I should change systems. Maybe this edge doesn't work anymore. But that's just randomness doing its job. Let's go deeper. Emotionally, humans are wired to see patterns. So when we see back-to-back losses, we interpret them as a trend, as failure. But a coin that lands on tails 3 times can still be fair. You must separate emotion from randomness. A losing streak doesn't mean you're broken. It means you're in the middle of a natural cycle. Your edge is the garden. Your trades are the seeds. Keep planting, keep showing up, and trust that the harvest will come. Trait 4. An edge is just a higher probability of one thing over another. Most people think an edge is some hidden magical formula. But here's the truth. An edge is just something that works often enough to make you profitable over time. That's it. But here's what happens. We get impatient. We want more certainty, so we add more indicators. We scroll more news. We ask more opinions. And suddenly, the edge is gone, diluted by doubt. It's like watering down espresso because it tastes too strong, and ending up with brown water. Your edge must be clear and repeatable. It should be almost boring, because the power is in the repetition. Once you find your edge, protect it like sacred ground. Don't mix intuition and fear into it. The market doesn't punish bad trades, it punishes confusion. So simplify, refine, and trust your edge. Trade 5. Every moment in the market is unique. This one cuts deep because our brains are wired to recognize patterns. We see a chart that looks like last month's breakout, and we assume it'll behave the same. But here's the truth. No two candles, no two setups, no two moments in the market are ever identical. Not in volatility, not in sentiment, not in macro context. Each trade is like walking into a room full of strangers. The lighting might look familiar, but the people, the vibe, the dynamics, they're completely new. The moment you let go of comparison, you begin to see clearly. You're no longer chasing past glory. You're no longer haunted by past mistakes. You're here, now reading this chart. In this moment, this is when true presence begins, and presence is the greatest trading state there is. These 5 beliefs aren't just trading tips, they're lenses. They shape how you interpret every candle, every loss, every win. Anything can happen, so stay humble. You don't need to know, just follow the math. Randomness is real, so don't take losses personally. Your edge is simple, so stop complicating it. Every moment is unique, so be here, fully. These ideas come from one of the greatest trading psychology books ever written, Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. If today's episode spoke to you, read that book. Slowly, more than once. Let it sink into your bones. And if this message resonates, share it with a fellow trader, a friend in a drawdown, someone who's trying to force success, but hasn't yet looked within. Until next time, stay grounded, stay humble, and trade with clarity.